Okay, we're at the 4-inch mark now. We're going to add our first cord in. We take the first 6-foot cord and we put it behind our braiding so that it lies along the braiding. Leave a couple inches out, running up the part that you've already braided. And you just keep doing the 4-strand round braid right over the top of it. You're going to do 2 revolutions. Now you're going to turn the braid around, grab the part that you've braided into the center, and pull it down till the end is inside the braiding. Be very careful here because it can be hard to pull and then suddenly get real easy and you can pull it all the way out. You don't want to do that. Then you have to start over. And pull it to just inside of the braid, and the end of it can't be seen anymore. At this point we add the second 6-foot strand in exactly the same way. We lay it behind everything else with a couple of inches running up the back of the braid, and we continue with a 4-strand round braid right over the top of it, and we now have the 2 cords in the middle. We'll do 2 revolutions around the cord we just added. Turn the plait over, take a hold of the part we just added and pull it down inside of the braid until we can't see it, just the tip of it there. Now we have about a 1/2 inch to go before we get to the 6-inch mark, and that's where we'll add the core and the belly of the whip into this braid. I'm going to do 1 revolution here. Kind of locks everything in place. And the 2 cords we dropped into the center, we're going to pull out 1 to each hand now. And here we're going to do under 1 over 2. You have to be careful to keep the cords that you added in the place where they belong. In the order of the braiding. We did 2 revolutions, and the 2 pieces or laces that we added in should be the top 2 pieces now. We're at 6 inches and it's time to add the belly and core of the whip into this part of the overlay.